Welcome back. Now you can take your content in Microsoft Word and you can export that content into Microsoft PowerPoint. And the way that you do that first is you would go to the View command. Once you get there, you would then choose the Outline view. What you're going to notice is that you have some bullet points on the left-hand side. Now each of those bullet points are then going to become slides in your PowerPoint presentation. The other thing you're going to want to take note of is that PowerPoint will take the title and it'll pretty much only take that title if that's all that you have there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out the title, and what we're then going to do off camera is that we are going to then place all of the content on bullet points that we want to show up on a separate slide. So what we've done now is we've broken up the content into bullet points according to the outline view. So what we're going to do now is we're now going to save this in the directory where our PowerPoint file is going to be, and we're going to save this and make sure that we notate that this is an outline. So we're then going to save our document, and then we're going to close the outline view, and we're then going to close the document. What we're then going to do inside of Microsoft PowerPoint is we're going to go to the View command. We're then going to go to the Slide Master. What we're going to do is we're going to go all the way to the top. We're going to work with the master slide. We're then going to pull this title slide down to the middle. We're then going to get rid of the other content. And then we're going to close the master view. What we're then going to do is we're going to click New Slide. We're then going to get slides from the outline. We're then going to pick up our outline file. We're then going to click Insert. Microsoft PowerPoint will begin the import process. And we'll then have all of our content line by line in our slides. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.